In this video, I'll show you how to find your Bybit wallet address so you can receive crypto. First, open the Bybit app and log in. On the bottom menu, tap Assets. Here you'll see different tabs like Spot, Funding, and sometimes Derivatives. For a simple deposit, stay on Spot and tap the Deposit button at the top. Next, choose the coin you want to receive, for example, USDT, BTC, or ETH. When you tap a coin, Bybit will ask you to select a network, such as TRC20, ERC20, BSC, or BTC. Pick the network that matches where you're sending from, because using the wrong one can cause you to lose funds. After you choose the network, you'll see your Bybit deposit address and a QR code. You can tap Copy to copy the address, or show the QR so another wallet can scan it. This address is what you paste or scan in the send/withdraw screen of the wallet or exchange you're sending from. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.